Using a basic cotton dress and a little of your imagination, you can make a lot of comfortable and beautiful clothes. That's what I've made. This dress has got lapelled cuffs and a belt with an elastic. This dress is made of viscose, the sleeves are assembled on an elastic. This model has got single color cuffs and a belt. This dress has got jersey cuffs and a shorter skirt. This dress is made of artificial silk. This one is made of cotton. It has got a single color belt. This dress is made of a flowing synthetic fabric. It has got a welted neck. This is a flax dress with a jersey inset on the waist and jersey cuffs. This dress is made in the so-called 1960s style. A large bow is tied on the waist. A very light flowing fabric inspired me to attach long ribbons on the sleeves. This is an everyday viscose dress with a low waistline. This is a flax dress in casual style. This is a winter dress from costume woolen fabric. This is a beige tunic with a slit. The neck is assembled on an elastic. This is a dress I'm really proud of. It's made of real silk. This is a tunic with a slit. It's made of thin synthetic fabric. This dress turned into a skirt and a shirt, both made in the same no pattern method. This is a cotton chemise with jersey lapels and cuffs. These models become a real godsend. I've wrapped the bodice 4 parts over and also made the rag-on sleeve. It's the basis for other models such as trench coats, cardigans and overcoats. This model has got a belt. This is my first coat. This model has got a stand-up collar, which is also made of a rectangle piece of cloth. I've used the remains to make a dress for my daughter. This dress combines a wrap-over top with the same long, straight, pleated skirt. Men's sweatshirt turned out very easily, immediately inspiring me to new ideas.